have gone over today decomposing numbers again, and so I wanted to go ahead and add a video. So what we talked about with decomposing numbers, and I saw so many parents work with their kiddos, and that really helps, so thank you for reinforcing what we learn in class. It makes them much more excited about it when they get to class, and so I just wanted to say thank you. So hearing it twice, oh my goodness, it's incredibly valuable. So 67, we can break 67 down by doing 6 tens and 7 ones. So 6 tens, 7 ones. Okay. But if I only have, I like to tell the students to make sure that they picture something. So let's say they have, today we talked about toothpicks. So if they have 67 toothpicks, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. And yes, I count out all of the toothpicks in front of them, and it takes this long every time. But that's okay, because it helps them see what we're doing. Base 10 blocks also help, so you can always look up base 10 blocks online. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 67, there's our toothpicks right there. Alright, so if I do 6 tens and 7 ones, really math is still all ones, if you think about it. But we group them up to make it easier. So let's say instead of having 6 tens and 7 ones, I wanted to divide it up differently for whatever reason, because I needed to put them on different tables. So then I do 3 tens. How many ones would I have? You can still see that even though they're in groups of 10, you can count them by ones. So that would be if I had 3 tens, then how many ones would I have? It's a different way to decompose it, but I've never changed the amount of toothpicks that I have. Now down here I have 37 ones. And honestly, math was not my easier subject. I could always pass the test, but really understanding numbers was always hard for me. And so I'm really trying to help the students learn at a young age how they can break apart numbers and put them back together, and it all still has the same value. Just like if I had a pile of pennies and I exchanged them at the bank for a certain number of dimes, or, at the grocery store when the cashier hands you a 20, but you need a 5 and 5 ones and a 10. So you might be able to stop and talk to your students. Students, if you're watching this video, you can ask your parents, why did you need 5 ones? I'm thinking about this for my math class. I noticed that you didn't take a 20, you took a 10, a 5, and 5 ones, but that's still $20. Okay, and parents, stop and talk to your students, your children, about that as well, so that way they can start seeing that one value can be made up in many different ways. And really, money is one of the easiest ways to do it, but we don't always think about it because of the credit cards, debit cards that we use at the store. And that is a big deal in STAR as well. They will ask questions that involve money and change, not just the value of a dollar or a coin. They will also possibly ask students about making change, using money, that sort of thing. So use it as much as you can, starting as early as you can. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll talk to you next time.